My video guide will help you to get rid of these scary pop-ups that come from the site Watchprecisemosttheproduct.vip. If you see these frustrating pop-ups on your computer screen, stay away from interacting with them. All these pop-ups have in mind to persuade its visitors into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The pop-up indicates that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. There are many other similar fake alerts targeting computers all over the world these days, and in each case they mention the same number of viruses, 5 viruses. So it's obviously something unusual and faulty and misleading about all these pop-ups. Their only purpose is to trick people into clicking on this delete viruses button, and when people do that, they get forwarded to some other questionable sites that may force people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software, including certain malware. So please be extremely careful. Don't ever interact with all these pop-ups. Don't install anything that they suggest. We recommend you to carefully examine the system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. Very often the unusual browser behavior is the result of some malware in the system. So Combo Cleaner will help you to identify such hidden malware and to remove it effectively. Use this official website combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.